Welcome to Queen Hotel, Zanzibar. Thank you. Wow. That's amazing. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Ella. So we're both filming this. So that's where our room is, somewhere there. And we're going now for a late breakfast. The best part is this, guys. This is fresh passion fruit juice. She said it was too sour for her, but I love it. And this is the traditional Swahili breakfast. I've never tried it before, but I'm gonna give it a go. So they have beans, and I forgot the name of the salad. That's sweet potato and chita something. And just some yogurt, mostly with fruit. Bon appetit to us. Looks like it's gonna rain today. No, no. No rain in paradise, please. So this is lovely Abdul, who's taking us today to Nungwi. It's about 30 minutes away from our hotel, is that correct? Yeah. So we're gonna enjoy our lovely ride and we'll film you a little bit more there. Oh, and there's a goat on the road. Hi, baby. Hello. I love goats, and there's a silly story, but my mom used to call me a little baby goat when I was a kid, and it's cute in Lithuanian. She called me Ahlstrom. Lithuanians will understand. So yeah, that's why I love goats so much. Because you know, Ahlstrom, baby goats are stubborn. So, and I'm a little stubborn girl as well. So that's why I got this funny nickname from my mom. So thanks, Mom. I showed Elliot yesterday Kenza's video where she was singing the song. And guess what? We're gonna listen to it now because it's so addictive. Na, 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 na. I don't know the lyrics. Okay, I'm gonna tambo Jumbo wana Habari gani Mizuri sana Wageni Mwakaribisha Hakuna Matata. Literally Hakuna Matata. By the way, so the meaning of Hakuna Matata is no problem, yeah? Yeah, so it means no problem. Hakuna Matata, guys. That's the way to live. No worries, no problems, just Hakuna Matata. There you go. So because it was raining, there's a lot of puddles. So we came to check the turtles.
I'll show you how you feed it in.
Okay.
Oh, you go in the water.
Yes, this is step here. See?
Okay. You get in the water?
Yes.
Wow, oh my gosh.
What's the sensation?
It's like they're a little slimy.
Some of them.
Yeah.
Are they female or males or both?
Actually, there's male and the female.
That one is so huge.
The big one.
It's so huge.
The sea turtles. All the time they spend life in the water.
There you go. Hi, buddy. Hello.
The big one is coming.
Oh my god, it scares me.
The big one is not a problem. Don't escape.
They don't bite, do they?
No.
Okay.
Just when you
Unless if you like them.
Just when you feed, you make a long piece. They're
Okay.
not a problem.
So there's only 7 species in the world of turtles.
For the sea
Wow.
turtle.
Oh, for the sea turtle. Okay.
This is a green turtle once you feed them. The name green not come by physical appearance. We call green because the internal part they have green fat. That's why it's called green turtle.
So we just found out that the turtles only lay eggs 7 times usually in their lifetime. So they live for 120 years and only 7 times. That's crazy. This is a land turtle. Oh, you're so cute. I want to touch your hand. I think he likes me. I think he likes me. Bye, little turtle. Say bye, bye. Bye, bye. So sweet. Okay, go back to your friends. Turtle tour is done. Now we're off to the beach because it's super hot again. More baby goats. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. We just stopped for some snacks, and I've been craving Pringles, and Ella too, since yesterday. And we found this flavor, ranch. So we're gonna give it a try because I've never seen this before. And stony tangawizi, and it's supposed to taste like ginger lemonade, I think. So should be good. Food coma. I'm struggling to finish mine. It's really good.
Ella finished it a long time ago.
Ella's asleep and I'm having a swim by myself, and there's so many people now coming out for sunset. Kids, tourists, locals, everybody. It's so beautiful. Peaceful. We're gonna go to the hotel soon. I feel like this is such a weird place to film, but whatever. So we're gonna go to the hotel soon and gonna get shower, get ready, and Christine is coming. I think she's landing in like 2 hours. So we're gonna have a nice celebration dinner for Ella. This is the place where we spent our day. Kendwa Rocks, if anyone's interested. Now we're gonna go try to catch our ride back to the hotel. Look at this lobster! Birthday lobster, guys!
Birthday lobster.
I don't know why. I got a sunburn, but I'm not that visible, as you see. So,
Lucky you!
I know, I'm not bragging or anything. So we just did our makeup. We're waiting for Christine to arrive. She just must have landed. And we're gonna go already to dinner because we're scared that the restaurant might close. And yeah, that's it. Couldn't decide what to wear, the romper or my favorite skirt, so I put the skirt on top of my romper. Yay! Good idea, Brie, good idea. I don't know if you can see what they're serving, but that's the meals for today. I'm thinking of having the prawns for the starters and maybe the eggplant cream cheese thingy for my main. How to kill time while you're waiting for food. Play silly filters on Snapchat. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yay, with the music. Woo. This is how we rock and roll at Queen Hotel in Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Yes. Whoop, whoop. Ooh, look at this. I'll eat the breadcrumb. I'm boring. Main course, I got the eggplant as I mentioned. I think I mentioned, I'm not sure. And she's got some lamb. Looks fancy, and of course, how can you eat before taking a pic? No, snap it or it didn't happen, right? Yeah. Guys, I said I ordered eggplant, but it's actually zucchini. So I don't know if they mixed it up or they ran out, but anyway, I prefer zucchini, so I'm happy about it. Woo! Happy birthday, darling! Yes! Woo! To me! Happy birthday! Oh, bless them!
Happy birthday!
Oh! Woo!
You're so
nice, guys.
Happy birthday. Happy
How
you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Go in front of the camera and all of you and dance once.
Pendwa.
No, George is like
Pendwa.
Exactly.
Pendwa.
Happy birthday yetu. Hakuna matata. Ture tu enjoy. Hakuna matata. Pia keki yetu. Hakuna matata. Happy birthday yetu. Hakuna matata. Our festival ending. Hakuna matata. Irira Disney. Hakuna matata. Karibu Zanzibar Queen. Hakuna matata.
We have Christine with us. Hey, hey, hey. She just joined us last night, as you saw, on the birthday bash straight from the airport to celebrate this girl. And now we're off to Stone Town, and after that, Spice Tour. And that's it. Oh yeah, The Rock. We're going for the dinner to this beautiful place, so we're super stoked. The Cathedral Church of Christ, former slave market site. That's where we're going now. Let's see. So, say Jumbo.
Jumbo!
Jumbo.
Jumbo!
Look at you. Jumbo.
Jumbo!
So sweet.
Luca! Luca!
You see yourself?
Luca! Jackie! Jackie!
Are you dancing?
Magdalena Lundu! Lundu Fazalundu!
You like my hair? You like it?
I put your head. You like my hair?
Zanzibar here was the last place in the world to open slave market. But in Central and East Africa, Zanzibar here was main market for slavery or slave trading. So here show you the memory for slaves.
We're going now to the slave chamber. During the slave trade, these underground rooms were used to keep slaves before being taken to the market for auctioning. A small hut was on top, and there was a big hole used as an entrance to the slave chambers. Slaves were kept in terrible conditions, so many died or suffocation and starvation. The amount was terrible. So this is the
This
slave
room, the
chamber.
one here, were the Egyptian slaves, women and children. So the number of slaves was terrible. It was about 60 up to 75 slaves here, women and kids. And that's why some of them here died.
Oh,
for
God.
starvation, hot,
You can't even
disease,
stand up here.
suffocation. Yeah, sit or lie here. The slave was a day just 1 meal on. Also they work with caravan, even one for the hand. Right, or the big ring here for the neck. And
For the leg?
for the feet. Take it off, they force it up the feet. Look in the caravan. One here, one there, maybe 10 or 15 people or 20
in a line.
In line, caravan. And one slave when they walk.
We just came out of the slave chambers and it was really, really depressing. Whew. Too much negativity, man, too much. It's just hard to comprehend that this was ever reality, to be honest. Look at this girl, isn't she a beauty? What? Like, why do I never look like that in pictures?
Oh my God.
That's not fair, so not fair. So we're going now to Freddie Mercury's house.
Where he was born.
Yeah, but do you know?
No, that he was born here.
I actually didn't know.
You didn't know?
When did he leave Zanzibar? Do you know?
9 years.
Sorry?
9 years.
When he was 9 years old.
Yeah,
Oh, that's where Freddie Mercury was born. That's the house.
House, but here was the shop. Down there was the entrance to the house.
It's so windy. I hope you guys can hear me. Even though we didn't make it to this pie store, we're going to this restaurant called The Rock. And look at this. Right here. We have to go in the water to get there. How cool is that? So our dinner is here. Everyone got pasta.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. You know, just the regular pickup from the restaurant, no biggie. We just came back from dinner and we found our bed made. Like, what? They just prepared it, like put the mosquito shield or whatever this thing is called and prepared the bed. How cute is it? It's like princess bed. I absolutely love it. I mean, no, not princess. Queen bed for 2 queens. Love it. Woo! Did I just No, it just has this thing in there. Oh my god. You see, that's what I think the cute romantic shit and then we just break the bed. Okay, so we fixed it. We tried. It's not perfect, but it works. I'm gonna feel myself. So if the mosquitoes bite us, they will come through there because, yeah, we couldn't reach everything, but thank God I didn't rip the material. Just imagine if they wake up in the morning and there's a hole. They will be like, what the hell did these 2 girls do in the room? Yeah, anyway, okay, that was a failed attempt to act all girly and sexy and whatever, so, but whatever. Good night, guys.